In this video, I will show you how to fix the DoorDash payment not working issue. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, refresh the network and check. If your problem is still not resolved, open the DoorDash app or you can open up any web browser and go to DoorDash.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on this menu icon. From here, find the option of payment. Go ahead and select that. Here, make sure that your payment cards have not expired. Double check that your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address are entered correctly. Even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. You should also verify that your card has enough available funds and that your bank hasn't declined the transaction due to security checks and spending limits. If needed, contact your bank to confirm that there are no restrictions on your card. If the issue continues, try removing the payment method and then add another one. You can also try adding another card over here. Next, update the DoorDash app to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now, search for DoorDash over here if you're using the application and then tap on the update option. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can simply contact the DoorDash customer support. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.